Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Under Armor book bag on the market, the Under Armor Unisex Hustle 5.0 backpack. If you're looking for a versatile, durable, and stylish backpack that can handle everything from school and work to travel and sports, this might just be the perfect fit for you. First off, let's talk about the design and build quality. The Hustle 5.0 is made with 100% polyester and features Under Armour's proprietary storm technology. This means it has a highly water-resistant finish, so your belongings stay dry even in light rain or unexpected weather. The exterior material feels tough and abrasion-resistant, promising long-lasting use without worrying about wear and tear. Comfort is another key aspect of this backpack. It comes equipped with breathable air mesh padding on the back panel and adjustable heat gear shoulder straps. This combination not only ensures breathability but also provides excellent cushioning, making it comfortable to carry even when the bag is fully loaded. The shoulder drop is about 15 inches, which is ideal for most users, distributing weight evenly to reduce strain during long days. Storage and organization are where the Hustle 5.0 truly shines. Inside, you'll find a soft-lined laptop sleeve that fits laptops up to 15 inches, including the MacBook Pro or similar-sized devices. This dedicated compartment offers extra protection and keeps your electronics secure. There's also a water-repellent front valuables pocket, perfect for your keys, wallet, or phone, keeping them safe and dry. For those who need extra space, the backpack features a large gusseted front laundry or shoe pocket at the bottom, capable of holding shoes up to size 15. This is perfect for athletes or travelers who want to keep their shoes separate from the rest of their gear. On the sides, you get 2 water bottle pockets, so staying hydrated on the go is easy and convenient. Additional features include 2D rings and mall webbing on the shoulder straps. These offer extra attachment points for gear, making this backpack adaptable for different uses, whether it's attaching carabiners, keys, or other accessories. The bottom panel is tough and abrasion-resistant, helping the bag withstand rough surfaces and daily use. When fully packed, the dimensions are roughly 6.3 inches wide, 20.1 inches tall, and 12.6 inches long, with a total volume of about 29 liters. This size strikes a great balance between spaciousness and portability, fitting well on your back without being bulky. Overall, the Under Armour Hustle 5.0 backpack combines functional design with durable materials and thoughtful features. Whether you're a student, professional, athlete, or traveler, this backpack is built to keep your essentials organized, protected, and easy to carry. Its water-resistant fabric, comfortable straps, and specialized compartments make it a standout option in the crowded backpack market. That wraps up our review of the best Under Armour book bag, the Hustle 5.0. If you want a backpack that's tough, comfortable, and practical, this one definitely deserves your attention. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest product insights. See you next time.